The 6-unit apartment house has a landlord's pad that has 3 bedrooms, a bath and a half. We're in apartment number 1. This has a great tenant, and it's all organized, and it's been maintained. This 6-unit apartment house is wrapped in vinyl. It has a metal roof for low maintenance. There's a bedroom, there's a living room, there's a full bath. In that living room, there's a bay window. This house has multi-zones oil hot water heat. Quite a bit of storage space too, and hardwood floors. Your full bath has a shower. And here's your bedroom. This home has quite a history. It used to be tied into Ricker College. It was classrooms for Ricker Classical Institute. Shifting gears again, now we're in apartment number 2. Lots of storage areas and closets. They laid these apartments out very sensibly. It used to be one big smasher single-family house, 4,500 square feet. There's a fireplace, although it's not used, in the living room. See those cast iron radiators? You do not want to lose those. They hold the heat. Here's the fireplace that Santa used to use if you'd been a moderately good person this year. The bedroom for apartment number 2. This one has the bathroom. Pretty handy. This one's a step saver. Everything is pretty handy. Your shower, toilet, sink. You can get in and out of here and off to work on the 9 to 5 pretty quick. Now we're going north. We're heading upstairs to look at an apartment, just to give you a sampling of what this 6-unit is all about. This is apartment 6, heading up into the crow's nest. Here's your kitchen. The appliances stay. This is where you come up the stairway, and you got a couple closets. Nice ash floor, I think. It looks like a brown ash. Maybe it's oak. Real wood anyway. They built these to last when they were back before the turn of the century. This 3rd floor penthouse apartment, it's got some space to it. Go ahead, turn up your Rolling Stones or 9 Inch Nails or Slim Whitman. It's all by itself on the 3rd level. More hardwood flooring. This one's got a big window. They're all insulated tilt-in type windows. Here's your closet off the living room. It's big. This is a NASCAR quick, get in, get out type bathroom. Got all the essentials, the 3 primary important fixtures. The 6-unit apartment house has a landlord's pad that has 3 bedrooms, a bath and a half. Laundry hookups right in the kitchen, and there's a little pantry, plus a pull-down stairway for extra storage in the attic. This 6-unit rental property has a deep lot. It's a short walk to the downtown and schools. There's a storage shed. Here's one bathroom in your landlord apartment. It has a tub and shower. Here's one of your bedrooms. Here's another one, used more as a utility room now that the kids have grown up. This bedroom, more used as an office. and they're downsizing. Here's your other half bath. It's pretty handy off this bedroom. It has also a French door to an escape. This is a convenience for all 6 tenants. There's laundry hookups, the coin-operated kind.